your boss, Izzy, and today I'm gonna be showing you, I'm not really sure. So, if you guys find my stuff, send me in a post or something, whatever you do, I'm not really sure. Comment, like it, comment some things, videos, and I'll do them. Do you guys have any ideas right now? Oh, right there, we have one right there. We should dance with the dog. Okay, that's one good video. That's one good choice. We'll do that right after we get this next post. Do you have something, sir? No. Okay, so right now we're doing dancing with the dog. Bring her over here. My dog's name's Twinkle. I love her. She's a chocolate lab. Can't do better than that. What? Chocolate. Whoa, Frank. No, you have to eat it. Here, Twink. She's very talented when it comes to videos. Hey, Twink, come on. Down. So since it's my thing, I'll dance with her. So one part as a little bit. That didn't work too well. She put her butt in my face. My turn. Okay. So now it's my brother's turn. Yeah. I don't want to do it. Yeah, come on. I want to go. Ready? Go. That dancing was fun. I bet. My neighbor doesn't want to do it, and if you think he should do it, comment and like this post. Okay, and then we'll try to get him to do it. Well, watch all my videos. Do we have any other requests? Okay, here's one request. We play like this. You go like this. I need you for an example. Here's one of my people. Wait, stop, Rose. Come here. No! Here we go. You go like this. You're annoying at the moment. Then you go. Put your arm around. You're supposed to cooperate, but it's not happening really well. Well, okay, so you go like this. And you're supposed to see if you can hold him. I couldn't hold him because he's too fat. Okay, so okay, like it says, like and comment on this if you think my neighbor should dance with my dog. Okay, so that was my dog again, Twinkle. So, like I said, send in your requests and I'll do whatever you want. Don't make it too dangerous. I don't like being dangerous. Hopefully she don't hump me. Make sure you tell all your friends about me. My name is Isabella the Boss. Send me in some questions or whatever you want, and I'll answer them on here. This might not be the best way that I do this stuff, but it's a way. Like, talking like this really close is a way. I could go like this and be super loud for you, like I am right now, and show you around my place. So that's what I'm going to do.
My brother is getting attacked. Oh my god, my dog. Hold on! And I'm back. My dog was being a pain. Who here wants to have a rocket ship ride? Look at her face. And that's what happens in my house. Dog. She'll attack you. Okay. Well, that's it for me right now. And I'll see you later on an intro show. Or whatever you want to call it. You might want to call it Unicorn Say Roar. Whatever you want. Make me the best. Okay? Like, comment, leave me whatever you want me to do. I'll do it. And tell all your friends about me. And that is me, Isabella Boss, out. Peace. Maybe next time I do one of these, then I won't have any disruptions. My dog won't be like that. And everything will be back to normal. Well, follow me on Facebook. Well, add me on Facebook. Well, Isabella Beers. Follow my club, like if you're single. Winky Face. And follow me in Intelligent Idiots. Thank you, and goodbye wherever you live.